Here's another engineering marvel. I've started taking it apart and I thought I'd put a tape on it and kind of show what this is made of. These units are fun. Okay, so wow. For someone who wants to build robots, this is an amazing thing. So many cool parts, good motors. Okay, so this has the tape drive right here, power supply. Let's see if we can power it up. I didn't have a key, so I had to kind of smash the thing, but hopefully, maybe it'll work. I think it's mad at me. That works. I'd be mad too. Somebody was smashing my head. Nothing extremely interesting, just a logic board. Looks like there is a tape stuck in here. It's probably cleaning tape. Cleaning cartridge, yeah. It's cool that these things have a special location for a cleaning cartridge. And self-cleaning things. This thing is just amazing, this piece here, how it goes back and forth. It's got the track. That would be really good for robot tracks. Let's see if I can show closer. So somebody is building robots, beware. This is cool stuff. Corporations get rid of these on massive scale. They were buying them like crazy, now they're dumping them like crazy, and that's where I got this thing from. So it's basically got the cartridge that goes in here, and the tapes are of this style. They go into this cartridge, and this arm here moves, picks up the tape, drags it to the tape drive, and inserts it. Then magic happens, you save the stuff, takes it back, places it in its location. Cool thing, not really needed anymore. I'm just gonna take it apart and dump it. But I do like this amazing. Too bad it's not moving. I want to see how they go back and forth and make all the noises. Alright. Hopefully this helps somebody make a decision whether to take this thing for parts and play with it. I certainly liked it. Enjoy.